Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a solution for you in case you have bleeding gums. Yeah, so this is very important for you because it works very well and they are purely natural. The ingredients are very natural. So if you have bleeding gums, you want to get rid of tooth decay. If you have toothache, this is very important for you. In case you are new here and not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So guys, this is very important for you in case you have toothache, in case you have mouth odor, if you have bleeding gums. It helps a lot to get rid of them finally. Yeah, so aside that, it's going to ensure you have a healthy gums and teeth. So if you have mouth odor, very good, it helps a lot to solve the problem. Okay, so if you want to know the ingredients I use in making this, you want to know the right way to use it for better result, just keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So guys, let's go straight into this remedy that works very well. To stop bleeding gums, to get rid of bacteria from your gums, from your teeth, the first ingredient you have to get is clove powder. Clove is very effective. You can as well get your clove stick. If this is what you have, you can as well make use of it. Yeah, your clove stick, look at it. You just have to crush it or blend it, turn it into a powdered form and make use of it. Cloves are very good in taking care of your gums. In case you have infection, those bleeding will cease when you make use of clove. It contains antiseptic and antibacterial properties, very important in caring for your gums. So I'm going to make use of the powdered one. Next ingredient is alum. Look at it. Alum is very important. It helps to take care of your teeth, your gums and your tongue. Generally, it's very good for your oral health. Alum is a natural astringent and also antiseptic. Helps to tighten up your gums and reduce the gaps between your teeth and gums to prevent food particles in the gum. Very good at preventing bleeding gums. So this is super important, very helpful. So the first thing we're going to do is to just add a small amount, a small piece into a bowl like this. Pour in a hot or warm water into it. We are making a small quantity, okay? So I'm going to let it dissolve. You just have to leave it for like 5 minutes to dissolve. It dissolves faster in a warm water. After 5 minutes, it will finally dissolve and it's time to add in other ingredients. The first thing to add is clove. As I said earlier, I'll be making use of the powdered clove, the ground clove. You can make use of the stick. So I'll be adding half tablespoon of it into the water, which I'm going to mix very well like this. Clove is very important for you. Clove will also help to freshen up your breath in case you have bad breath. The ingredients I'm using here are very important. It helps to take care of your teeth, your gums. Very important for you. The next ingredient I'll be adding is table salt, your usual table salt at home. Salt is very important for you. Salt is also a natural disinfectant, helps your body heal faster. It helps to soothe inflamed gums and bleeding gums, gets rid of bad breath too. So this is going to help a lot if you want to whiten up your teeth. It's also very important. What you need is just a pinch of it, just like this, and you are done. I'm going to mix it very well. Make sure everything is dissolved. So So after dissolving all the ingredients, I'll be transferring it into a clean glass cup. This remedy is very important. It keeps your teeth stronger, prevents dental cavities, stops bleeding gums, and removes bad breath. So this is very important. If you have weak teeth, it's going to make it stronger. Okay, all you have to do is just to flush with this. Just gargle with it and flush it out. Do it like 3 more times and that is all. You have to do it first thing in the morning and at night. You can make any amount, any quantity. You just have to flush with it, round your mouth. That is it. At night, you also gargle with it and flush it out. So this is how to take care of your bleeding gums and make your teeth stronger. So that is all for now. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll see you in my next video.